Hello everyone, welcome to Erhu Essential, and my name is Mandy Chen. Today I'm going to show you how I put together a Erhu for performance, starting from A to C. And now let's see how it sounds. Hey, and this is how it sounds. And now I'm going to show you step by step how to put together a performance Erhu that you can play the same way I do. People, now this is how the Erhu comes in. The resonator, okay, the bow, okay, the neck, and of course you have pick and 2 wire. Inner string, outer string, okay? A little rosin, okay? Alright, and of course, okay, a little bridge and little damper. Okay, so start, you need to get something ready, okay? So I have little, little gadget here, a tape, some clock sponge, okay? Cut it up. Why? Because that later on you understand. Now, the first thing is the way I do it, huh? Instead of just put this in, when you put it in, you make sure this don't turn, okay? Don't turn. Now, how to avoid this? To become a good performance Erhu, but cheap, okay, is you put some crazy glue. Ding, 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 ding. So now, the neck and this will become one piece. That's the tips I want to tell everyone. Okay, now, second thing is, the pick, it fits only by itself, like it doesn't go both. Now if this loose, very hard to tune, okay? So first you have to kind of feel, okay, now it feels much tighter on this one, okay? All right, good. First you invert this, and then you fasten the string. So this is the loop. The loop. It's very hard to make the loop stay inside because once you start moving it, it will come out. So what I do is I create these little clock sponge to kind of start. See, it just fly out. See, it's not easy sometimes. Sometimes it's very stubborn. Okay. So now I put this in. And then tape it. So hopefully this won't come out. So now I'm doing this. On this one, you need to do it clockwise, not counterclockwise, okay? This way. So this one is clockwise, okay? Must be clockwise because later on you will understand. We try to split the bow string, one on each side. Earlier we did that, so it's successfully done. So now this time we do the same. We put the other loop in and move the clock into this side. So hopefully it's gonna stuck. So now I'm gonna do counterclockwise on this one. Okay, so for the new people, first time, you do need some effort. You do need some understanding how to kind of manage the string. So this is how you look. See, one on this side and one on that side. It still didn't pay. It still don't play. Okay, so now the next thing is, this is the tricky part. Okay, it's called a changing or stopper. So the first thing is you put a little loop. Put a little loop. Now how high? Somewhere here. Somewhere over the rainbow. Somewhere here. Okay. So now watch. It's not easy, but that's okay for the first time. Make sure it's pretty. Okay, now you loop outside. Loop outside. Okay, loop outside. And then loop. Measure. Measure. Somewhere this length. Okay, alright. Continue loop. One more loop. We're gonna close it. Put this in here. This in here. And hold it. And pull the top one. So just for camera, I'm gonna use a clip. I turn this a couple times and pull. Okay, now I got a little leverage here. Pull. Okay, come on. Outside. And then fix this. Okay, somewhere like this. Okay, so somewhere here. We still need final adjustment. Okay, but still don't play. Okay, still don't play. So why? Because it's not finished. It's not done. We need to insert the bridge. Very simple. We lift this, put this inside, okay? Alright, and then we lift this a little bit, make it more like center above a little bit, okay? Then we're gonna put this damper inside. Now the reason why we do this, because if you have to force this damper inside, then that means it's too thick, too tight. It's no good. Okay, so I didn't really force this to put inside. So now this instrument is start creating sound. So the next thing we do is tune this Erhu into key D and A. By doing that, we need to fasten the bow. We need to fasten the bow into in between the string. Okay. All right. So you see, I just broke one of these. Okay. That's very sad. Very sad. That's no good. Okay. So try not to. But when you play, the hair snaps. That's good. That means you start learning. So, after you do that, okay, and then here's how I do it, okay, take the rosin, inside, outside, for a minute or so, outside, inside. Then now, let's see how this instrument sounds. So, thank you for watching, and this is the Model T with the oval neck. See you all next time. Please hit like or follow. Goodbye.